We now have an FDA-approved oral form of semaglutide, and this is huge for the new year. Semaglutide, or Wegovy, or Ozempic, was approved in a 25 milligram tablet form. This is so exciting because results appear to be somewhat comparable to injectable medication. To give you a better idea, injectable Ozempic or semaglutide gives you anywhere from a 15 to 17% weight loss. The oral tablet form of 25 milligrams, and that's the key, gives you a weight loss of about 13%, which is pretty comparable. You may say, well, I thought these medications were available on the market, and the truth is they have been in some form or fashion, but typically the highest dose only went up to about 14 milligrams. And we know from studies that this is a dose-dependent medication, meaning in order to be effective, 25 milligrams is much more effective than 14, and 50 is even better than 25. So what should you look out for? Well, these medications still slow your GI tract, so the most common side effect is constipation, nausea, that feeling of morning sickness that lasts all day. And then the intended benefits of decreased appetite and improved metabolic health. It reduces appetite signaling and improves glycemic control. But this tablet form changes everything about who this is best for. This is great for people who've already lost weight and need to be on maintenance, because we know when you stop these medications, 2/3 of patients gain 2/3 of the weight back. If you're afraid of shots, this medication is great for you. And if you consistently take your medication every day or some supplement every day, this is a great option for you, because that means that you're going to remember to take it. And who is this not good for? If you require an additive medication with your GLP-1, like B12, glycine, other additives, this is probably not your best choice. Also, if you forget to take medication every single day, like many people, the injection is better for you. If you're still looking to lose weight and improve your metabolic health at the beginning of your journey, the injectable medication may help you get there more quickly, and then the tablet could help you sustain that weight loss. But since we know results are comparable, if you're more comfortable taking a tablet, then this is a perfectly acceptable alternative. This is also not great for people who had GI sensitivity with tablets before, and if you had worsening side effects, I wouldn't recommend this. Stick with the injectable form. Oral semaglutide, or a tablet form of GLP-1, isn't worse or better. It's just different. And I always tell my patients, the medication that you should be on is the medication that you will actually take. So you definitely need to take your lifestyle into consideration. It's right patient, right medicine, always. And if you're considering taking a GLP-1 or using one for maintenance of your current weight, it's important that this is not trend driven, that it's medically led, and that you have an expert to guide you. Because these medications certainly may not be without side effects, but when used correctly and in the right patient, they can improve your long-term total health and wellness.